Hey, welcome back. I've got some absolutely fantastic news to share. I've been promoted. I've been in a finance business partner role for 18 months now, and given that the scope of any management accountant is essentially to be a business partner for the function that they're working alongside, I thought it would be useful to just run through 5 of my top learnings that I have learned within my first 18 months of a finance business partner commercially facing role. It doesn't matter whether you're a financial business partner for commercial facing teams, for supply chain, for marketing. Just as a couple of examples, the foundations of the role that you own will require you to have a very similar skill set as a management accounting. We're going to kickstart this video with point number 1, which is technical understanding. You are the finance business partner for that particular function, for that particular department. You will be required on a daily basis to execute your financial understanding to help drive the performance of the specific department. Everything that you do as a financial business partner will be underpinned by your excellence and your expertise of the financial management accounting techniques. I have a skill set that the sales and commercial teams will not have. So I need to make sure that my understanding and my technical expertise is top A level game, because without that, I'm not going to add any value into the partner and department that I am partnering with. In at number 2, I have to drive results. And the key element here is to understand the key KPIs of the business. We are in unprecedented times at this moment in time. Cost of living driven by inflation is extremely high at this moment in time. This has meant a change in priorities for the business. The key driver behind the business performance within the last year in particular has been margin. And it's all about understanding how can I make as much money with each kilogram of finished goods that we are able to sell into our customers. It doesn't matter whatever the KPI, but you need to understand that KPI and understand, well, what does that mean for my business? What actions and what levers can I pull in order to help our business take those 2 points in share? Let's, for example, say you are Cadbury's and you are selling your chocolate bars at 10p per bar more than their competitor, such as Mars. In order to then take share off of Mars, your key competitor, you could introduce some sales promotion tactics whereby at 1 week every month, you're going to sell your chocolate bar for 10p less than Mars. As a result of the cheaper price, you are naturally going to drive volume into your business and hopefully bridge the gap in that 2-point share difference between you and your number 1 competitor. In at number 3, we have development, and this is a massive one. Being a business partner is about using your skills to educate the team that you work with. It is natural that people within commercial, supply chain, marketing backgrounds will not be an expertise when it comes to financials and the numbers. But you can help your department in helping to educate them by running training sessions, creating processes that provide further clarity, providing tools to them that will help them understand any key metrics within the financials. Development for me was a big one because my role, I'll be honest, with 55 stakeholders is extremely mayhem at the best of times. So the more development that I could give to my sales team, the more likely they were going to be self-dependent. And that leads nicely onto my 4th point, which is to empower. I would empower my colleagues to be self-independent within their finances. I would do that by providing the tools that they need to do their finances. I'd strip back all the technical finance jargon and translate it into the jargon that my commercial counterparts understand. The technical jargon is a blocker to any department understanding their finances. If you can translate it to as beginner language as possible and provide them with the tools for them to understand their numbers, they're going to be far more self-dependent. If they are far more self-dependent, then it's going to rely less on you to incorporate the right results into that business. And naturally, you're going to be more efficient with your time. It's going to allow you to use your time onto more value-add activities. And in at number 5, we have to challenge and gain respect. Unfortunately, being a finance business partner will mean that you won't be able to say yes to every proposal, every request, every single time. There will be times when you disagree with what the teams are bringing to you, and you will have to say no. When you say no, it is about communicating the reasons why you are saying no. So for example, this year, I've had to say no to a lot of proposals, a lot of asks, because they simply don't meet the KPIs of the business. Therefore, you need to communicate exactly why you are not saying yes to their proposal. Something along the lines of, our business KPI this year is to grow our margin. If we were to incorporate your proposal and approve your proposal, then the margin of our business is going to grow from our target of a 110 to a 109, and we are going to miss our yearly target. Something that's clear, provides some clarity, and illustrates why you cannot say no will mean that you cannot be challenged. But you will also become very, very respected for making the hard decisions and standing up for what you believe. Now that's all from me today. I've greatly enjoyed my 18 months as a finance business partner. If you are looking to be a finance business partner, I hope this has been useful. I'd love to hear down in the comments below of anything for any of you business partners out there that you believe is extremely important as a business partner. I'd love to hear your thoughts. But that's all from me today. I'll catch you in the next one, and I'll see you all again very, very soon. Goodbye.